Hello, I am going to talk about things I like and don't like about my neighborhood. It's a large neighborhood is surrounded by two mountains. I like its large lake and the green area. It's perfect for walking or biking. It's an ideal place to take my pet for a walk. My neighborhood has a shopping area where I can find everything I need. Also has 3 malls. It's a good place to live. There are many things to improve. I don't like the insecure places of my neighborhood and the contamination in the commercial area because the marketplace is located on the main street. Missing more work in community.